Hey guys, what's happening? Um, I didn't film anything going out and picking some parts up. There was a gentleman that had some miscellaneous 55 Chevy parts for sale. So I went out there, me and the wife took a ride in the puppy, and we went and picked up some parts. And I'm going to take them out of the truck and take them in the garage, and we'll see what we got. So we got a few boxes of stuff here, so let's get this unloaded, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
So we picked up the stuff, and this is what we're going to go through this. This is some brand new bench seat brackets. And we got, this is mostly what we want to look at is what's in this box here. Ooh, I'm trying to do this one-handed. I got, these are for the bottom of the windows. I don't know if I need these. A lot of this stuff, if I don't use it, I'm going to end up selling it. You know, find people that do need this stuff and help them out. But, yeah, this is for the bottom tracks of the windows. This is, what is this here? Rear window channel. So that's a rear window channel. We got brand new. These are the vent doors. We got the vents right there. And then we got the seals. And then new doors in there. Yeah, it's got all the stuff for the factory cowl vents. I think there's, is it both sides? There might be both sides in this, I think. I don't know. I haven't taken everything out of here yet. I know there's one in here. There's one. Here's, I got two cables. So I got two new pull cables. And then there's a whole lot of miscellaneous. And some, this is for the dashboard. I don't have a Bel Air, so if anybody needs anything, you know, comment in the comment area there down below, you know. Let's see. What else we got in here? This is, I honestly don't know what a lot of this stuff is. These are the seat back stops, which are kind of nice because I really want to carry my seats out. And then here's some miscellaneous brackets. Everybody knows what a lot of these brackets are. I don't really know what. I've got 4 of them, so I don't know what those are. And then this is for the seat adjuster knob bezel. And then gaskets for the marker lights. And put the stuff in a good box so it don't get wrecked. This is instrument cluster seals. The gentleman was he's got beautiful 55 Chevy. If he didn't have it in storage, we were going to do a little walk around of it, and hopefully maybe we can come springtime. This is the clutch our brake and steering column seals, accelerator pedal, and dimmer switch grommets. Okay. I don't know what that is. This is it looks like a water sending unit. Electrical one. These are emergency brake pulleys. I don't have that in the car. I gotta go through my stuff. I don't know if I have them. If anybody's looking for some, I'm definitely not going to use these, but if somebody's looking for some Chevrolet tailpipe covers, I have 2 of those. I have some material of some sort. I have to look that up. There's a chrome knob of some kind. This is a trunk actuator. That I definitely have to replace on my car because it doesn't want to latch. Wiper knob. Some Chevy bow tie taillight lenses. If anybody needs those, I'm not going to use those. Another piece for the trunk. And there's some miscellaneous window stop kit, which is good because I've got to replace all these windows. Headlamp adjuster kit. That's nice to have. Window stop kit. These are clock face. This is a brand new clock face for a 55, 56 Chevy. I'm definitely not going to use that. Okay. Oh, you know what? I got these here too from Soft Seal. These are it's the Anti-Squeak Hood Kit. Like I can tell as loud as this car is that if it actually squeaked or not, I don't know. Right, old girl? You're a noisy girl. Like I said, I got brand new C-Tracks, which are really nice because the ones I got are in nice shape, but they're a little sticky, and you know what? I'd rather, let's see. I have bumper brackets in here. Brand new bumper brackets. Front bumper. So I actually have the bumper brackets and a front bumper for this car, but I know I'll hear a lot of cringing from people if they say I'm going to put it on. I also have here these are brand new Delray seat covers. Front. This is all the front ones. It's in here. This is all brand new. There's not the back seat, just the front seat. So if anybody is looking for that, I'm going to probably put the stuff up on my Instagram. I'm going to pull it out real nice. But this stuff's all brand new. You can see that it's never been. He said he used it. He used the back seat. Mine is in pretty nice shape. It's not. Honestly, I don't think it warrants being replaced. I may keep this for the next project. Yeah. So anyway, so that was our little adventure on Saturday. I'm trying to get this. I got this new Canon M50. I'm not sure. Seems like it's a little bright. But anyway, So, hey, do me a favor, and if you're watching the video and you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'm noticing a lot of the videos that I put out are watched by non-subscribed viewers. So, subscribe to the video, and if you are subscribed, check it to make sure that you're still subscribed. And otherwise than that, that's probably about it right now. So you know what? You guys have a real nice holiday, and we'll see you soon. Peace out. Later.